Hi guys, so this is the cough syrup I got. I just finished taking it. I'm not the only one that hates cough syrup. If you can really please drop it in the comments. Like I hate cough syrup so much. I don't know why some people take it. It tastes annoying to me. But it's just I feel like it would be more effective and work faster than the tablets. So don't lie still. Oh, this is day 3. I'm tired.
Guys, good afternoon. There is a lot to talk about, but not now. We've had lights for like 4 5 hours now. I've been like, oh, they will soon take it, they will soon take it. Now it's 4 p.m. I want to start recording my videos. I don't want them to take it midway, but I'm just like, they might not even take this light on time. Why am I saying they will take it? So yeah, today is Monday, and I just want to create some content. Pray for me. Hi guys, 2 videos down. There is still lights. Let me show you guys what I have here, my setup. Right, so that's my backlight, that's my major lights, and this is my sunset lamp. And yeah, wrecking. Doo-doo. I was filming in landscape before because I was filming for YouTube. Bye. Èmi ń bíbí lákẹ́ ajọ́ ọ̀kẹ́ ọmọ kékeré ọ̀hún tó ní bàǹtẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Hey guys, good evening. How are you all doing? I don't even think I've introduced you to a new vlog. Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. So today is Tuesday, it's past 6 p.m. already. I'm sorry I've been working. My table is even messy. But I just got a call that my Chromebook is available now. Dispatch is almost here, so I have to rush to go get it because I don't know how to describe this my house to him. I just told him to call me when he's almost at the nearest bus stop, and he just called me that he's almost there. So let's go get our Chromebook. You guys, I'm not really excited for this thing because they told me it's touch screen. I ordered it from Shoppingverse. They told me it's touch screen. They now called me last week that oh, they are so sorry to inform me that it's not touch screen. They gave me a discount, and it's not even worth it. But I didn't have time for drama, and I really need my Chromebook. I can't speak right now. Calm down. Alright, so I want to rush out to go meet the guy because I hate delaying people. So yeah, I just hope it's an exciting one. I pray I'm not heartbroken at the end of this thing. And I don't even know if I will pay for delivery because they didn't ask me for delivery. I don't know if it's this man that will ask me. You sure not come and overcharge me, Sha? Bye, let's go get our Chromebook.
Yeah. Thank you. Bashira Talamide. Yeah, it's my battery is low. I just picked up my order. I'll show you guys when I get home. But they didn't ask me for delivery fees. I mean, I paid 9,000 and it was called shipping fee. Maybe they already calculated doorstep delivery. That's actually nice. I love that. I was thinking I would still pay extra, but yeah, our package is here.
We're back home now. This is the receipt. I don't even know what this is, but let's unbox this bad boy together. I'm a very impatient person. I almost started unboxing without you guys. It is well. Alright, you guys. So we have our laptop charger. I don't even know if you guys can see properly. Wait, this charger is not even new. And it's HP. And here is my Chromebook. I don't know why I'm feeling disappointed and I've not even seen it yet. Oh my god. Okay. That's it. Let me show you guys later, okay? Hi guys, so this is the very first time I'm owning something like this. Okay, this is it. I'm so excited, even though it's just a Chromebook, but like this bad boy is my own. And actually, they told me, oh, the touch screen isn't working, this, that. So I thought it's another model that they want to give me. But apparently, it's still convertible. It's just that the touch doesn't work. But I didn't think it's working because I don't know. I'm so excited. Alhamdulillah. And I have this habit these days. Okay, Okay, there is. I've not even seen this. It's an envelope. Maybe it's the receipt. Oh yeah, it's actually the receipt. Okay, they put the fact that the touchscreen has issues. So is that it has issues. Maybe it works, maybe it just doesn't work perfectly. And you guys, I have one habit now. Whenever something happens, I'm a Muslim, so I face my Qibla and I just go on sujood, like, because Allah has been so kind to me. It's a sign of growth because I just want to be grateful to my creator. Your grandma has a freaking I'm so excited, you guys. I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl. I'm a big. Let me call my baby. Hi guys. I know I'm very tired. So you see, I'm wearing another outfit. I tried creating another content for YouTube. You guys, the content I have planned. You guys should just go and do this. Go and relax, okay? So I want to sleep. I want to start editing, but I'm very tired. I feel so sick. And I'm tired of feeling sick. Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm not even supposed to be talking to you guys because I'm so late. I'm going out with my partner and his friends. It's not like a double date thing. Who am I even talking to? He's been calling me because I don't even know what to say. I don't want him to know that I'm still at home. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. Today is Saturday, 6th of September. You guys, my vlog this week has not been the best. I've not been consistent, and that's because a lot has happened. I'm so sorry, you guys. The last time you guys saw me was Thursday. I went out with my partner and his friend. We had like a double date thing. So, good morning. So we went to Olumo Rock. It was a fun experience, really fun. I enjoyed myself. After we left the place, I went to see my friend in OPL. Then we now went back. My friend had and my boyfriend's fiance. The three of us went to meet them again, and it was a really nice date for real. So after we left the place, I was at my partner's place because I needed to upload videos and my batteries have been low. All my phones have had flat batteries on most of them. So I had to go to his place. I charged and I worked throughout yesterday. Admin work, I worked. So I didn't vlog at all yesterday because his birthday gift, because his birthday is this Monday. My partner's birthday gift was supposed to be sent in from Ibadan. When they sent it, so that time that we were at Olumo Rock, I couldn't go pick it. So I just told the guys to drop it. They drop it off. I'll just pay extra. And for you, I don't mind. But I couldn't go on that Thursday because it was late. Friday morning, I discovered that the driver called me very early in the morning. I couldn't even pick up. So I started calling him from afternoon till evening. He didn't pick my call. You guys, this man didn't pick my call. When he eventually picked, it was so rude to me on phone. I was like, I should come on Monday to pick this stuff. I was so sad because that's why I just wanted to have this thing before Monday. So I don't think I'll be able to give him his gift on time. Or maybe to just be like, I'll just go to his place But I don't even know. You go to work and I don't know how they want to celebrate the birthday. But anyhow, Sha, that made me really, really feel somehow yesterday. So after I left, I just went to my friend's place. I ate and I go back home. We still, I don't even think we've had light because all my neighbors have been putting their gin on. It is well. So this morning, yeah, I've been working. My PC is here. I've been working and I want to edit last week's vlog and this vlog. So you guys will have last week's vlog tomorrow, feeling inshallah. If I had edited it, I should have just uploaded it yesterday when I was at my partner's place because I'm sure it will be a very large file. I don't know when next I'll go there. I don't even know how much data that will consume, but it is what it is. I need to just be more consistent with my editing. So, for this vlog, I should end it tomorrow too. Tomorrow, inshallah. So today I just want to work, I want to cook, and I'm not going out. I'll just be at home. I'm supposed to go out to go record a chant for a client, but I doubt that because my house is far. I say it a lot. It's so far from the main city, so I can't just be going and coming anyhow. So I think I have to push everything to Monday. So yeah, that's it. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm about to have breakfast now. Noodles with plantain. Hi guys, so I'm set to leave the house now. You guys can't believe the driver called me. He called me, said, "Oh, he's now on his way to Abeokuta from Ibadan. I should come and collect my package today." And I called my studio producer. I don't think he will be free. Oh, that reminds me, I need to go with a jotter. So he said he won't be free until Tuesday. So I have to just go pick the stuff up. Then my friend is also a shoemaker. I don't know if I've mentioned that to you guys. The shoemaker Angel, she's so good. So I thought I to make a pair of slides for my partner too. So yeah, so she said she will be done today. So I'll just be at her place, work. I already have my PC. So I just picked the jotter too. So I'll work and work and work and maybe spend the day there, to be honest. So I'm leaving now. This is my outfit. I'm repping the brand Ajake Ake with this cap that I sold for my boyfriend. And I'm wearing a pair of leggings. And I was on a call with my student the other time. I think I showed you guys a bit. I was on a call with her for over 30 minutes, I guess. So yeah, I have students that I train. And yeah, I'll show you guys. I'll let you guys know how my day goes. Oríkì tèmi multi-purpose ni. Hi beautiful people, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Today is Sunday, 7th of September. You guys, I look very good. I look comfortable. You guys. So tomorrow is my partner's birthday and I want to give him his birthday gift. So I had to convince this man to come. Like convince because he doesn't like coming to my house because it's far. So and he cooked, like we were talking and he just sent me a picture. I said, "This man, please come with this food. I'm hungry." He said, "I'm shameless." I said, "You yes, I know I'm shameless." So he brought the food and I just finished eating. And I want to go get fish now because I want to cook. I want to make a goosey soup. Guys, I want to go get fish now. I want to make a goosey soup. I have the signature goosey soup that everybody likes. And I've not even made it in a long time. And I want him to try it too. So, and then I'll give him his birthday gift. Like, this man literally surprised me. Thank God I already dressed up. I was just doing things slowly because I texted him, he didn't reply. And I just heard the bike stop in front of my house. I said, "Is this my man?" No, it can't be. He just called me. He said, "Hey, babe, I'm at your gate." I was like, "What?" I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Mm.
We need to do something about